Is your Cadillac XT5 failing to play audio through Apple CarPlay while the screen still connects? Statistically, most of these audio dropouts are just temporary software glitches that reset in seconds. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to restore your sound. Start by cycling your connection and forcing a head unit reboot by holding the power button until the screen goes black. If wireless is acting up, verify your cable. A frayed wire can cause intermittent audio while maintaining a data handshake. Check your iPhone settings to ensure CarPlay is not restricted and that your iOS is fully updated. Most users solve this at home, but if the issue persists, you may be looking at a faulty HMI module. As you can see, a simple system reboot resolves the vast majority of these audio-specific connectivity complaints. If you are desperate, a master factory reset is the final option, though it will wipe all your personal settings. Keep a high-quality cable and compressed air in your glove box to handle common connectivity gremlins on the fly. Remember that technology is only as reliable as the handshake between your devices, so keep both updated. If these steps did not work, head to your local dealer for a firmware flash and keep your XT5 driving smooth.